Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you easily use your Amazon Basics food scale. First, let's get it ready. Carefully unbox your new scale and remove any protective film or packaging. Then, flip it over and insert 2 fresh AAA batteries into the designated compartment. Finally, find a flat, stable countertop or table to place your scale on. This ensures you get the most accurate measurements every time you weigh your ingredients. Now, let's weigh something. Press the on/OFF/tare button to turn on your scale. It should display 0 grams. If you're using a bowl or plate, place it on the scale first. Then, press the tare button. This clever function subtracts the container's weight, showing 0 again. Now, add your food item, and the scale will display only the ingredient's weight, making meal prep super simple. Your Amazon Basics food scale offers several measurement units. To change them, simply press the unit button while the scale is on. You can cycle through grams, ounces, pounds, and even milliliters for liquids. This flexibility is fantastic for following various recipes, whether they are American or international. Always ensure you've selected the correct unit before adding your ingredients to get precise results. To keep your scale in top condition, a little care goes a long way. Wipe the surface with a slightly damp cloth after each use, but never submerge it in water. Store it in a dry, cool place away from extreme temperatures. For optimal accuracy, especially over time, consider calibrating it periodically if you have a standard calibration weight. This ensures your measurements remain consistently precise for all your culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.